magandang gabi po. Ako po si Forrest Lopez at nandito po tayo ngayon at mag-unbox po tayo ng laptop. So, eto po, kabibili ko lang ho from SM Baguio sa Gigahertz. Binili po namin yung ito, Lenovo IdeaPad laptop. So, buksan na po natin. So, laman ng box, meron siyang, of course, yung kanyang charger or iba ay tinatawag nilang power brick. Cable ng charger, 3-prong. Saan po natin? Yan, 3-prong. Ayan. So, next, nandito po meron po siyang spec list. So, specification po ng laptop is i7, Intel Core i7 4702 MQ 2.2 GHz, quad-core 8 threads with DVD-RW drive, RAM niya 4 GB pero in-upgrade na po namin ng 8 GB, 1TB hard drive, 15.6 HD LED, screen, keyboard, chorba with NVIDIA GT 740M ang kanyang graphics processor. And then next, so ito po yung laptop. Ayan, mamaya po natin tingnan. Tawin muna natin. Tingnan po natin kung ano pong malaman. So next, meron po siyang setup poster or sabihin natin quick start guide. Ayan. So, tayo po na natin to. And let's take a look with the laptop. Simple unboxing and overview with the laptop. So since dati na po itong nabuksan sa Gigahertz. So ayan, yung laptop. Black, medyo slim. As you can see, mabigat, of course. So ayan. Okay, simulan natin sa front or sa likod ng LCD screen. Sa likod ng LCD screen, meron yung Lenovo logo. There you go, Lenovo logo. With a matte finish of the back panel of the LCD or LED screen. And then sa likod, as you can see, meron siyang mga ventilation holes. And ito, ventilation holes. And with a rubber foot. And 4. What else? Some information here. Yes. Ito, Windows 8.1 na rin po siya. And Windows 8.1. So, what else? Sa side, nakita niyo, Kensington lock. Yan, Kensington lock, DVD-RW drive, USB 2.0, isa lang, multi-card reader, and earphone or microphone jack. Ito yung mga type ng headset na 3 or 4 ang kanyang connecting port, or I mean, basta yung contact port niya, contact metal point, sure ba, sa ganun. So, dito naman, sa may next part, sa may left side panel, yan. Dito yung charger port niya. Yan. And ito yung ventilation holes with the heatsink na hindi nyo makita kasi yung heatsink kulay black. And then next we have a VGA port. And then next we have the RJ45 LAN port. Ayan. Dito po. And we have also a HDMI and 2 3.0 USB. So, tignan po natin ang front face niya. Konting adjust lang po konti. Ayan. Adjust. So, buksan natin. Sorry kung nakita nyo yung mabalbon kong legs. Sorry. And so, yan. It's a 15.6 laptop. If we can measure. Yan. Kung gano'n siya kahaba. See, at around 38 centimeters. 38 centimeters across. And then, with a width of 26 centimeters, and with the what else? With thick of kung gaano ko siya kakapal at around 2.5 or 2.5 centimeters. So next, sana po natin ulit. Pasensya na po. So, let's see the keyboard layout. So, and typical laptop keyboard layout. So meron siyang alphanumeric keys, chorba, numpad, and other stuff. So, yan, buksan na po natin ang laptop. So, you could see kung ano ang meron pang additional feature ng laptop na ito. Aside from aluminum finish, dito sa may keyboard part, and very large touchpad. Dito, makikita nyo dito yung sa may part na to. Dito yung HD webcam. Ayan. So, sa may part na to, parang hindi ko gusto kasi gray na plastic. Nagmumukha siyang old type na plastic. So, ayun. Ano lang, na-point out ko lang naman. So, it also has JBL sound for Lenovo. Yan. So, ayan. May logo ng NVIDIA Graphics and Intel Transform i7, Core i7. So, buksan na po natin. Ayan. So, as you can see, umilaw po yung keyboard. Ayan, which isa sa pinakagusto ko sa feature ng laptop na to kasi umiilaw yung keyboard. Aside from a dagdag pogi points, it's easier for me to see kung mag-type ako sa gabi, at least nakikita ko. Although, kabisado ko naman ang keyboard layout nito. Ayan. So, pwede natin patayin or patayin ng LED light ng keyboard. So, by holding the FN and then pressing the spacebar. Ayan, nag-off. So, also, normally, pagka laptop, mayroon tayong FN na button. So, may mga ano siya, mga specific functions ang nandyan. So, sino natin? Hope you can see. So, ayan. Pause mo muna natin yung video. So, ayan. We're back. So, ayan. Windows 8.1 kasi ito lang. Yeah, 8.1. Yung nasabi sa akin ng ano, nandun sa gigahertz. Well, yun din naman nandun sa spec list nila. So, ayan. Kinda new with the medyo baguhan po ako sa ano ng Windows 8 kasi usually I use Windows 7. And dun po ako nasanay. So, tignan natin kung makaka ano tayo sa desktop. Desktop tayo. So, ayan. May desktop din siya. Ano na natin. Ayan. So, ayan. Of course, we have also desktop for the 8.1. And ganun din natin sa, ano, sa Windows 8. So, I think yun lang. One thing to note na this laptop, I really like this laptop. Why? Because, first of all, sa ano yan, sa processor niya na Core i7, quad core with 8 threads, which is very important for heavy usage of, you know, video editing, photo editing, kasi yun nga ho, trabaho ko rin po yun, mag photo edit and video edit, and soon, I will be using this one for my class, sa DIT, sa mga DIT students, digital imaging technology students, so for Photoshop and Illustrator. So, I really like this laptop. And sa Gigahertz, they also included some accessories. So they added a mouse. They also added a headset. Okay. And last but not the least, they also added a carrying case. So yan. Besides from buying a laptop from them, there'll be free mouse and headset and carrying case. But then, I don't feel the quality of this kind of products. So, bumili ako ng sarili kong headset. Recently, I bought a headset. So, itabi po na natin to. I recently bought a headset, CM Storm, Solus. So, good for gaming and good for music listening. Yan. And also for video editing kasi maganda ang noise cancelling ng headset na to. And I really like it and transferable ang mic niya. So, next, I also bought a mouse and mousepad. This is from the Dragon War gaming line. Itong brand na to eh, hindi naman siya ganun kasikat. Although, sikat siya kasi mura siya. And then, maraming, ayun, bumili ako dati ng mouse nila, eh, maganda rin naman. So, for around $795, maganda siyang product. May mouse ka na, may mousepad ka pa. So, ayan, to wrap it up, ayan, this laptop cost you around 40,000, 41,000. And I added some 4 gig sa laptop na to, so it cost me at around 43,145 pesos. So, all in all, kung bibili ka sa Manila, may mga parts sa Manila na at around 43,000, 4 gig RAM lang. So, kinda cheap, so okay lang, maganda. I'm very satisfied with this kind of laptop or product, so I really recommend this to others. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope that you'll subscribe at my channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.